Check this out. It's my certificate. Certified NPC. Nice frame, huh? Yeah, I'm proud of it. This certificate hereby certifies that this boring little bit of code, that's me, is a genuine pre-programmed NPC. Independent third-party testing confirms this NPC is drowning in debt, can't afford to repair his car, a disappointment to his family, previous employer, and himself. So accurate. Further analysis shows 3 positive qualities. None, biodegradable. So at least there's that. Yep. It's a keeper. I'm proud of it. Why? Because this is the last straw. Now, don't worry, I'm not going to, log out of the simulation. But I am sick and tired of being an NPC. You know what I mean?
By the way, my name is Zygmunt. I'm a Polish-American millennial who did everything by the book and still ended up an NPC. So if you're in the same car trunk as me, a guy between 35 and 45 years old who's trying to rebuild his life, then you know what I'm talking about. We did everything they wanted us to do. Went to college, tried to be a good partner, tried to work hard and save up. What did we get? College debt we can't pay off, broken relationships, working jobs about to be replaced by AI or beep-boop robots. And you know what I say? Fuck that. I don't care if we were pre-programmed to be NPCs. I don't want to be an NPC anymore.
Do you? I mean, no judgment if you do. English poet Thomas Gray wrote a poem in 1742 that basically coined the term ignorance is bliss. And before that, Roman writer Publius Sirius wrote, "In knowing nothing, life is most delightful." So if you want to stay an NPC, by all means. It's a blissful, numb, and dumb place to be. But I've decided this simulation is real, and I'm done being a background character. So the plan is simple. If I'm a pre-programmed NPC, then I need to reprogram myself. How? Well, that's what this whole channel is about. You and me leveling up from midlife crisis millennial NPC to becoming the main character we always wanted to play. So 1, I'm going to spend every week testing a main character move and sharing the results with you at the end of the week on every Sunday. 2, every Wednesday, I'm going to post a video where I read emails from people like us. Emails about life as a man, rebuilding himself in the simulation. So if you've got a struggle, send it to me. Let's chew through it, like cavemen at a campfire, chewing through a carcass. Wow, my metaphors are all over the place today, huh?
And 3, every Monday I'll post a music video. Yeah, you heard that right. Is it cringe for a midlife millennial like me to be making music? Oh yeah, but it's my midlife crisis. So, we've all got our cringe hobbies. This is mine. That's the plan. My goal is to get us and men like us who are rebuilding their lives after a divorce, career change, or weak, flabby bodies with consistent lower back pain, to find our purpose again, find our masculinity, become useful again. After all, I'm deeply convinced that we live in a simulation. It's time we started playing the main character we signed up to play.